Hey, listen. I'm 31 years old. Have I ever done this, man? Are you a man or a woman?
What do you want?
Are you serious?
Yes. What did you take?
What are you? What did you take?
What drugs did you take today?
What drugs did you take? What did you call me?
David? Right?
Wow.
What you said? David Murphy?
The video for today is an incident where officers were dispatched to a call about a man who had forced open the back of a semi-trailer because he was 100% sure there were human trafficking victims being smuggled inside that truck.
Is this still the same guy, you know, and he's in and out of the store, but he keep coming in screaming, talking about kissing a trailer, the one that he tried to break into? Well, he broke into.
In this case, there were no children or human trafficking victims in the back of the truck, and the man in question was taken to a local hospital for a mental health evaluation. With all that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something, and I'll talk to you soon.
What's going on?
You know me, right? Cider? You haven't seen me, bro? Please tell me.
No. What's that matter? What's going on?
My name is David Allen Murphy. You don't know me.
Okay, what's going on?
You don't know me? Please answer my first question first before I ask.
No, I don't know you. What's going on?
And why do you not know me?
Why do you think I should know you?
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm dead serious.
Where are you from? Who's your boss? Call your supervisor.
What's
now.
going on?
Call your supervisor.
You're not getting my sergeant.
Huh?
You're not getting a sergeant.
Hey, yo, can I get a sergeant?
No, you can't. What's going on?
Yeah, I opened it. Look, someone told me that there could be kids in there, so I opened it up. Is that such a crime? And if it is, can you write me a ticket? And I would suggest anybody to look in there. If you didn't, do you know if there's kids in there right now?
Why did you...
Ask anybody in your precinct. Do they know or do you know? Do you know if there's kids in there right now?
Why
I don't know if there was.
There's kids.
Hey, listen. I'm 31 years old. Have I ever done this, man? Are you a man or a woman?
What do you want?
Are you serious?
Yes. What did you take?
What are you? What did you take?
What drugs did you take today?
What drugs did you take? What did you call me?
David? Right?
Wow.
What you said? David Murphy? Is that right?
Oh yeah? You know my middle name?
Alan?
Oh yeah? What year was I born?
No idea, man.
Oh yeah?
So, what's going on?
Well, let's do it together. What number do you want to pick?
4. Okay.
6. Wait. Why are you threatening me right now?
Who's threatening you?
Okay. It looked like a
What's your
threat.
social?
Just like if I did that, you'd be like, oh, hands out your pocket. Yeah. Would you not? Okay.
What's your social?
Okay. Wait, why are you smiling? 'Cause you play on words.
What's your
You
social?
legalistic buddy.
What are you doing,
I
dude?
don't like this guy. How you doing, sir?
You're not going to like me any better, bud.
Wait.
So
You
answer his
can be
question.
testing me, huh?
What's your
I already told him. He knows my name.
What are you
But
doing
did
in
I
this
tell him
truck?
my name like that?
What are you doing in this truck, dude?
You already know. And if you don't know,
Why are you dicking around with this guy's truck?
do I have anything to hide?
I don't know. Apparently you do.
Do you
'Cause
have
I'm asking
something
you
to
a
hide?
straightforward question.
Do you have? I'm asking you questions too.
All right. What's your name, partner?
Listen, I have my. I have nothing. That could be your kids right now. Yes or no?
There's no kids in that truck.
And how do you know that?
Because I know. He
You
knows
just
what
go
to do.
around opening random trucks, dude.
You can do this. It's a commercial
I'm 31 years old. And if someone say, hey, your kid could be in there, would you not open it?
Yeah.
Because you're not a good father if you
It's
did.
going to
There's no
Harrison.
reason for you to think that's true.
Are you a father? Do you have any kids?
David, what's your social?
Hey, if you don't know, is he doing his job?
David, what's your social?
Do you know my social?
Oh my God.
Dude, talk to him
I have a free
and give him
will.
your information.
Listen, look, what am I being detained for, if anything? Bro.
Right now
I
you're
don't
being
have to-
detained for failure to identify.
Hey, that's fine.
Drop your water bottle.
See ya.
Failure, I already told you. So, David Allen Murphy, how have I not identified myself? Hey, everyone, you see how they're, wow.
You're good, bud. Just relax. We're asking you your information. You refuse to give it to us, so we can figure out who you are.
I was trying to tell
These
him.
are going to go on, okay?
No,
you're playing games, bud.
I was trying to say it together, bro, because he's acting like he ain't
no,
like
you're playing games.
41691. Right, you know my name, David Allen Murphy. G, how you think? I'm playing.
Well, was that so hard to do the first time?
Oh, you thought?
Switch your feet.
I'm playing now.
Switch your feet.
I was back then. He was actually, I'm working. Just go. He come and broke everything. I'm the boss. You're the boss. Why would you be doing stuff like this on the street? Are you okay?
No, he's not okay.
No, he's used too many drugs today, I think.
Are you serious?
It's a couple grapes shy of a fruit salad, as they say in the business.
Oh.
And there couldn't be kids in there.
What's your
What business?
Bring, have a seat.
I'm being detained.
You're being detained.
Okay. And what for again? Not identifying
You
myself.
tell you to
already said
identify.
David Allen Murphy.
Okay, well, you do.
Do I have to go in there?
You're doing it now.
Do I have to go in there for you to call your? Okay. Wow. That's like showing. That's
I
like,
didn't say
that's
you're going
like,
to jail, man. I said that.
Man, yeah,
We're
you
gonna
can be
hold on to
good,
you for a minute.
And man.
Have a seat.
Have a seat, buddy. We'll be with you in a minute. We'll figure out who you are. We're gonna take this one step
Okay,
at a
so
time.
why can't we do this right like we originally?
Get in the
Why
car.
do I
Have a
be
seat.
here?
Get in the car.
I'm obviously not. Wow.
Say wow.
That shows it
Kick your feet
itself.
in. Kick your feet in.
Was I a threat to you guys? Am I a threat to you now?
No, you're just withholding your
Please
information.
let
We're trying
me-
to figure out what your role is in all this.
Okay,
Clearly, you
put your feet in.
This guy's semi.
Okay,
Put
please
your
ask
legs in
me
there.
again. You don't want to ask me again now?
I'm going to ask you again when we get in the car. All right.
Why not now?
All right, David, what's your date of birth?
Bro, I'm not trying to be in compliance.
Okay. What's your feet?
I can't remember if I actually even said it. Oh, you see, David
What's your
Allen
head?
Murphy, huh?
Yep, I got it. What's your head?
So you,
Get back up.
You say you didn't know me. You said that. You're doing your job. If you both searched that and let me go and I did nothing wrong, call that boss and see if they want to press charges. And clearly, I keep on asking you guys, how do you know? And you guys keep on trying to give deceiving answers. But that could not be you. That could be someone controlling it. Am I lying? I have a question, man.
What's up?
Sorry to interrupt.
You good?
If someone told you that there could be kids in the back of that,
Who told you that?
huh?
Who told you that?
I'm 31 years old. Man, come on, man. Do I have anything to be scared of? Because I don't fear what a man can do. And that could be your kids, bro. And once we settle this, you think I'm gonna do that again? Would I be wrong if I didn't? At the same time, hey, we can move forward and we've all done a good job at that. Everyone can look at us from. So whoever makes that choice, I want us to all look in that truck, in a sense. You know what I mean? So we know that at least y'all two, y'all two could be equal. So you're saying that two people couldn't go in there and say, hey, nope, there's no kids, even change cameras.
David, you ever been diagnosed with any mental health issues?
And what school you go to, G?
This isn't. I'm the one asking the questions here, David.
What school you go to, G? You definitely look and sound like you're in elementary school. Sound retarded as fuck. Huh? What you laughing at, G? I made myself clearly be known. You think I'm crazy? Y'all could have been like, look, hey, thank you, David. You're a citizen, good citizen for the day. We know that you haven't done this before. So right now, you're bringing my, hey, what? They know I just got out of jail, G. So I'm asking you to let me go. Call your supervisor and see what they say. Hello? Hello? I even got an ID with a badge that they gave me. Hello? I'm not trying to be, you know what I mean, G? Am I wrong? Why aren't you saying wrong or right? Do you think I'm wrong or right for doing that?
Wrong.
And why is that?
You're not allowed to just go open semis, dude.
Oh, yeah?
He's blank.
Okay, so I don't know if he's under the influence of something or if he's just psychological, but apparently he made contact with him near the front of the truck initially. Said hello, you're like buzz off essentially, I'm working, I'm busy. And then he made his way around to the rear. Did you hear the whole story?
No.
So he said something about what? There's kids in the back of the truck?
He came up here, he looked, this way, he went, he ripped it, one goes open, he climbed to right there. He climbed right there, looked in like this, he came back out, went to us, oh, you know, there could be kids there, somebody called the cops, and I was like, why you open
So that
it?
was after the
And I
fact.
told
Maybe
him,
he was
why you
looking
open
to
it?
steal something and then created this fabric. I'm concerned about kids being in the trailer now.
Yeah, he
Yeah.
like kids and all that, they could be my
He's
kids.
not even a squirrel person.
Yeah, he's gone.
Broker is calling me right now. If I
I
respond,
don't care, but he, right now, he's in that, Frank, whatever they call that over here, the little house.
the brokers are calling me right now. If I respond,
He just wants a report, I think, maybe pretty basic, just to explain why the tag.
Yeah, I need to put a tag in there if I
Because
go
apparently
there.
once
and
the
they
tag's
inspect
removed,
it,
they think it's been tampered with.
then
He
I
might
just
have a hard
leave it
time
and leave,
dropping
you
it
know what I
wherever
mean?
he's going. So
Okay.
But if it
I can get him.
asks,
I can get him
Yeah,
that.
well,
or we
go
can.
to the brokers, to the cops.
I think we're gonna have to pink slip him.
Yeah.
if I told the brokers,
What do you have to say now?
David, what's a good address for you?
We can go there right now, G, and go inside if you want, but we gotta go inside there too.
What's your address?
What's up, G?
What's your address?
You get it? Why do you need my address now?
For the report. Hello? No?
Am I withholding things from you?
You are.
Really?
Yes.
And y'all can really?
I don't know if that's a current address for you. What's a current address?
Ask someone there and see if it matches up.
They don't know your address either, David.
Okay? Well, they can finish it out. 17 what?
I don't know.
Well, ask your boss.
My boss doesn't know your address either.
Oh yeah? Is that because I'm your boss? You can say that?
No?
I sure exactly.
Okay. Streets of Columbus it is. Oh, God. He said that if we go to the hospital, they're going to kill me and him.
Oh, good. It's
Yeah.
getting better by the minute.
It's getting better by the minute. He is. All right. Doctors, we already ruined. Well, the chick me and Drew took in there, took a crap in the trash can.
Ew.
She ran to the trash can, pulled her pants up.
Down at Mount Carmel?
Yeah, so I think we'll take him to
Oh, my
doctors.
God. Yeah, that's a
They're going to be really mad at me if I show back up over there.
Take a minute to blow over. All right, doctors, I'll meet you out there.
Okay.
Is that not a loss if you both didn't just go in there and look?
Yes, man, we're going to have a pink slip to Doctors West. If you could let them know. He's semi-compliant. Be there in about 5 minutes.
All right, mister.
All right,
You
David.
ready? Swing your legs out. We'll go inside, have them check you out, okay?
All right, G. I hope that you guys can say I'm not wrong for doing what I did. As a 31-year-old man, someone telling me that could be our kids in there, bro, and technology.
Will you lock my car? Thank you. Well, we appreciate your concern for the children. It's just, I think you might have went about things the wrong way today.
Oh, even Russia and all that, G. Listen. You know who owns Putin?
Who owns Putin?
Who could? Yeah.
I don't know. Who owns Putin?
Who owns Trump? Who owns